Hey you guys, it's Celia and today I have a skincare video for you all. I've been using Urban Hydration's Nourish and Rehydrate Castor and Shea collection for my skin. I do have dry, sensitive skin and these help to combat the dryness while also not being too harsh. So this is just a little close-up of what my skin is looking like. And before I actually start with the skincare routine, I'm going to cover up my edges with my little wrap right here. I hate when I get water all over my edges, so gotta protect those. And then the first product I like to start with is the face wash. So I first like to start by adding some warm water to my face, and then I add a small amount of the face wash and just start massaging it gently onto my skin. Now all of these products have a nice light scent that I love, and then they also are great for helping to detox, even your skin tone, smooth your skin, and of course moisturize. So I just work that onto my skin and then I rinse it off with the warm water and I pat dry with a towel. Now next, I'm using the facial mask. This is a peel off mask, which this is my favorite, you guys. I don't always use this after I wash my face, but it is good to use weekly. So this is the consistency of it. It is a little bit gooey, so I like to personally just use this little applicator to apply it. And you do want to use a thin layer of this, that's all you need. But I've learned from using this mask, you don't want to make it too thin because then when you go to peel it, it doesn't really come off all at once. So I do just try to add a good amount of this to my skin, and it just feels so nice and cool going on. And then as it starts to dry, you can feel it tightening up, and this mask is perfect for exfoliating your skin and also helping remove impurities. So when you feel that tightness, just know that it's helping to get all that gunk and whatever is in your skin out. Once the mask is dry, you will know because it'll be nice and tight on your face, as you guys can see. So how I like to remove it is kind of to stretch my face so it lifts, and then I just start to peel. And like I said, if you apply a good layer on, you can easily just take it off in pretty much one piece. So once I take it off, my skin just feels so nice and rejuvenated. I do like to go in and tone my face just so that I can, get rid of any residue from the face mask. And then I like to moisturize, so I'm going to use the Daily Lotion. So I like to apply a dime size amount of the Daily Lotion to my skin, and along with the castor oil and shea butter that are inside of these products, they do also contain vitamin A and vitamin E, which are amazing for your skin, and you will see just how moisturizing this Daily Lotion is. Now it is a bit lightweight, but the moisture and shine that it gives off, I love it so much. So this has been my skincare routine, you guys, and I'm sure you can tell the difference from the beginning of this video when my skin, I didn't wash my face and it was dry, to now where it's soft and hydrated. So definitely get your hands on these Urban Hydration Castor and Shea products. For every product you purchase from them, they do give a gallon of water to families in need. So definitely support. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.